How to make a group chat on Discord. First of all, open your phone and go to your Discord app from your phone. Then click the DM section from left side corner. Now click the plus icon from the right side of the screen at the bottom right. Now click new group. Now select your group member. Then click create, and that's it. Now we're going to show you with the desktop. So first of all, open this Discord on your desktop and click the plus icon from here, like create message. Then select your members. Then click create group message. You can uh, enter your group name like this. Then click create group message, and then again create group. That's it. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.